In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become an affiliate with Udemy using Google's platform. This could potentially open up a fantastic opportunity for you to monetize your online presence. So, let's dive in step by step. First, start by opening up your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type udemy.com/affiliate and hit enter. You'll see several results, but go ahead and click on the official Udemy affiliate page link. This will take you directly to the starting point of your journey. Once you're on the page, search for a button or link that says Become an Affiliate and give that a click. This is your first step towards joining Udemy's affiliate program. Now that you're on the affiliate program page, look for the Join Now button. When you click this, you'll be directed to the sign up section. Here, you'll need to click on Sign Up to move forward in the process. This will guide you to the Terms and Conditions section. Make sure you read through the details and agreements. Once you're comfortable, click on the highlighted area to accept. Then you'll find a Continue button. Click it to proceed. Next, you'll arrive at a page asking you to sign up via several methods. To streamline the process, select the Google option. This will expedite your sign up using your Google account credentials. When prompted, go ahead and enter your Google account details on the sign in page and proceed. After signing in, you might see sections on the page highlighted. Enter the required information. This could include additional details necessary for your affiliate account like your full name, email, etc. It's essential to ensure that all the information you provide is accurate before continuing. Now you should see a Verify button asking you to confirm your details. Click on it to complete the verification process. Once verified, you might have to select your primary channel for promotion. Click on Social Influencer if you plan on leveraging your social media following to promote Udemy courses. On the following page, click Continue, and you'll be directed to choose which platform you'll use primarily. If you're active on Instagram, clicking on Instagram would be ideal, as it's a commonly used platform for influencers. At this point, you'll reach a section called Tell Us About Yourself. Fill in the necessary details, and then click on Submit to officially apply for the affiliate program. Finally, navigate to your account home. You might see certain options still highlighted or emphasized as actionable tasks. By clicking Apply, you finalize your application, setting you up to begin your journey as an Udemy affiliate. And there you have it. You're now all set to start promoting Udemy courses as an affiliate. Remember to keep an eye on your platform to maximize engagement and potential rewards. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your new venture.